2024 Lexus LC500 is a stunning luxury coupe that combines exotic looks, a powerful V8 engine, and a refined cabin. It's a car that turns heads and delivers a thrilling driving experience. The LC500 is powered by a 5.0-liter, naturally aspirated V8 that produces 457 horsepower and 389 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission that shifts smoothly and responsively. The LC500 can sprint from 0 to 62 mph in 4.7 seconds and reach a top speed of 168 mph. The engine sounds fantastic with a deep rumble and a crackling exhaust note. The LC500 handles well with a balanced chassis, precise steering, and adaptive suspension. It's not as sporty as some of its rivals, such as the BMW M8 or the Porsche 911 Turbo, but it's more comfortable and relaxed. The LC500 is a grand tourer, not a track car, and it excels at cruising on the highway or winding roads. The fuel efficiency is not great, though, at 24.3 miles per gallon, combined, and 262 grams per kilometer of CO2 emissions. The LC500's interior is a masterpiece of craftsmanship and quality. The seats are supportive and comfortable with plenty of adjustments and heating and cooling functions. The materials are premium with leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber accents. The cabin is spacious and quiet, with enough room for 2 adults and some luggage. The convertible model adds the option of a soft top roof that can be lowered or raised in 15 seconds. The LC500's technology features are impressive but not flawless. The 2024 model year brings a new 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that runs Lexus's latest software interface. It's an improvement over the previous system, which relied on a frustrating touchpad controller. But it's still not as intuitive or user-friendly as some competitor systems. The LC500 also comes with a 13-speaker Mark Levinson sound system, a head-up display, a digital instrument cluster, and wireless charging. The safety features include blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. The LC500's strengths are its stunning design, its exhilarating performance, and its luxurious cabin. Its weaknesses are its high price, its low fuel efficiency, and its subpar infotainment system. The LC500 is a car for those who value style, quality, and emotion over practicality, economy, and functionality. The 2024 Lexus LC500 price in the US varies, depending on the model and options. The base coupe model has a starting of $99,800, while the convertible model starts at $106,800. A limited edition Inspiration Series model is also available for both the coupe and the convertible, with prices ranging from $121,900 to $130,000. You can also customize your own LC500 through the Lexus Bespoke Build program.